Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You begin by prepping the watch and phone so pairing is smooth. Charge the Ultra to more than 50% because heavy initial tasks use power quickly, and make sure the companion app is installed on your phone. Once done, enable Bluetooth and location on the phone since the app needs both to discover the watch. Turn the watch on, set language, then tap pair in the app. This starts secure key exchange. You'll see a code. Confirm it to complete the first actionable connection step. Once paired, focus on configuration so the Ultra works for you. Sign into the account the app requests. This syncs contacts, calendars, and health metrics, which is why it's needed for notifications and activity tracking. Make sure to customize the watch face and complications so key data is visible at a glance. Next, configure notification preferences and do not disturb windows so alerts don't interrupt sleep. Finally, calibrate sensors, enable wrist detection, run a short GPS walk to improve location accuracy, and confirm heart rate sampling. You finish by installing essential apps and granting permissions so features function correctly. Automatic updates keep firmware current. Test core functions. Make a call, control music, start then stop a workout, and confirm NFC payments if you plan to use them. These checks validate end-to-end operation. If something goes wrong, start troubleshooting. Reboot both watch and phone, reset network settings on the phone, and try pairing again. If problems persist, perform a factory reset on the watch, but backup data first because reset erases settings.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.